Okay, hey everybody. Today we are going to withdraw USD into the crypto.com app on my phone. The main thing you have to remember, notice we have 316 here and also ETH here. To click the withdrawal, we're going to click the button. And you want to read this entirely. So where it says the minimum amount available, it depends on the payment type, BTC, ETH. So ETH, which I'm going to do, it's going to charge me $30 for the transfer from USD to ETH. Okay. Then it also tells you to make sure that you have your payment personal data. So we're going to go down to account settings and payment personal data. And what you want to make sure of is the wallet, your Ethereum wallet, is the same as what I had on crypto.com app. So I'll bring that up, which we have here. So I'll go Ethereum. Oops, I apologize. We're going to go transfer, deposit, crypto, and Ethereum. And notice, I'll let this hope for you guys. Oh, I apologize. You'll notice that that is the same code to deposit into the Ethereum wallet. So it's 451. You notice it's the exact same. Okay, so we'll minimize that for you guys, and we're going to go back up to make a deposit. There's a second here, total return swaps. You can go anywhere in my deposits, but this will bring us up for return swaps of the 316. So I verified the QR number in the crypto.com app, and both QR numbers are the same going to that. So what I'm going to do is hit withdrawal, and on the wallet that I have 374 and change, 85 right now. So I'm going to write that down, and what we're going to do is we're going to go USD, and you can go perfect wallet USD. I want Ethereum. So Ethereum, I'm going to enter this in, and I'm going to do 300. So the funding balance is there. So this 300 is going to go to Ethereum in my crypto wallet on crypto.com app. So I'm going to click withdrawal. It says withdrawal successful. Now it's down to 1635. Now it says right here, funds take from 1 minute to 3 banking days. So we'll see here in a couple minutes, and I'll come back to it. Just wanted to make sure to let you guys know, if you go to make a deposit and total return swap, okay, $16.35, and then I went down to financial operations, and I went to withdrawal history. So what I'm looking for over here, status, is still processing. So we'll just wait on it here, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, it's 24 hours later. Signing into Beurax. Give this a second here. So what we're looking at here, I transferred 300 yesterday. So 316 is there. The financial operations, I go down to withdrawal history. Once I go to withdrawal history, it's showing here with a check mark of the 300. And I can show you that on my phone where I transferred to crypto.com. And the transfer is there compared to yesterday. Also, I did receive an email from crypto.com stating that there is a pending deposit and also that there was request confirmed of the 0.16 of Ethereum, just to show you guys. And that is it. We will see you guys on the next video.